Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 5 articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles or definite articles. In indefinite articles we have to learn a or n, right? Now today we are learn article a or article n. Now example, Vera wants to buy a dress. In this sentence, dress is a noun we use before a, right? So how it's come a? Here dress, the spelling of dress start with consonant d, so we use a article here. But here dress is not a particular dress, it's any kind of dress, so we use a dress. I wish to have a pet, so here pet is not a particular or specific pet, but it is any kind of pet, so we use a. We saw an elephant at the zoo. Here elephant is not a particular or specific elephant, so we use an before that. So we learn that the speaker wish to have any pet, not a particular pet. Here not a particular dress, any kind of dress. So we use a before the indefinite nouns. Okay. Now we learn the indefinite articles. A and a are used for nouns that refers to any member of a group, not a particular or a specific number. Example, we use a with a singular noun beginning with a consonant, right? We learn that the noun beginning with a consonant. Now what are the consonant? Consonant in alphabet a, E, I, O, U are vowel. 5 are vowel. Except them all are consonants. So first we use a before consonant. Example, a circus, a play, a woman. Second, we also use a with a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Now here the singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Now in spelling we can see the word beginning with a vowel O. Here O is a vowel, but the pronunciations of this word one consonant sound, so we use here a. Second example, European. We can see the word beginning with a vowel, right? But the pronunciations of the word is like that, Europe, European man. So here European is a consonant sound, so we use a before it. Understood? Like third example, university. The word beginning with U, vowel word. U is a vowel, but the pronunciation is like university, so we use a. Understand? Now third, we use n for a single nouns beginning with a vowel. Now we all know vowel are 5, a, E, I, O, U. So all beginning with a, E, I, O, U we use article n. Understand? Example, an egg, an ostrich, an umbrella. For one, we use n for singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Here example, our, H-O-U-R. Here our, H, it's beginning with a consonant word, but the pronunciations is our, so we use article n, right? Here honest man. Here the word beginning with a consonant H. H is a consonant, so here consonant word beginning with that, but the Here when we pronounce this word honest, H becomes silent. So we says honest man, not a honest. Okay, it's a honest man. So here H becomes silent. So pronunciation like that, honest man. So we use O before N. So we write article N before that. An honest man. Understand? Now we also use the indefinite article a and n to show that someone or something belongs to a group. Now the group, whenever we says about talking about a group, we use according a or n to show that Neha is a singer. Here singer is a particular group. So we use a. Neha is a singer because singer spelling start with consonant. So we write here a. Right? Brenda is an American. So here American is a particular group.